Pipeline factory data. Let's look at the, oh god, our screen's black. What are we going to do about that? We'll solve that in tutorial number 75. Let's look at the deltas. Const macros by system has been relabeled to 74 because we have moved it above shader strings. We've also relabeled this section to give it a number 74 because we've moved it. D for data needs to come after C for const. Consts have a macro-like quality to them in our code base. We have a ask and a tag. When we are asking for WebGL2, we need to use this version shebang in our shader code. Otherwise, our shaders will not compile. This is our one and only vertex shader. We don't have enough time to explain it. There's the shebang. This is one of our fragment shaders. There's the shebang, and we don't have enough time to explain this. You'll notice that we did cut and paste this shader multiple times because we just want to get all of the pipelines compiling for now. You'll notice that we are outputting cyan. That's all we're doing, outputting cyan, and we're getting a black screen right now because the data we're providing the shader is complete bullshit. We have made a comment here to diagram the shape of this data here. We'll get into that later. This is where we're getting that black screen because this thing here is complete bullshit, and we are doing this properly, but if we're giving it bullshit, of course, we're going to get a black screen. This is where we're flashing red. We're calling this once per animation frame. Let's go to the next delta. We are asking for WebGL2 here because we are using integer textures in which to bitpack level map data. There is no way we can use WebGL1 for this code to work. We have some variables here. You can pause here if you want to look at them. We don't need to explain that. This is the difference between triangle strip and triangle fan in a nice little diagram. And this is just a note that I want to boot half of the people from the server when it becomes overloaded by doing a deathmatch. This has been tutorial number 74. If you want a slower explanation, you can go here, like, subscribe, and send me money in the mail.